Bentley has rolled out the Continental GT Azure, a unique car paying homage to the R-Type Continental turning 70 years old this year. The hand-assembled vehicle will be parked at the company's media test drive lot in the UK and will never be sold. The R-Type Continental was a particularly powerful version of the standard R-Type produced between 1952 and 1955. It was considered the world's fastest four-seater at the time. Co-designed between Bentley, Mulliner and Rolls-Royce, it enjoyed a total production run of 208 units, including the first prototype, and quickly became the dream of every car collector. The creators of this particular Bentley drew inspiration from an ivory example decorated with exterior chrome and red cabin trim. E-video. The automaker bought it back 22 years ago and has since maintained it in peak condition. The car, which packs a 4.6-liter six-cylinder engine mated to the rear wheels through a 4-speed manual transmission, actually became road legal after the restoration and is still driven from time to time. As for the modern Continental GT Azure replica, the Mulliner team went for a similar shade dubbed Old English White, which they applied by hand. They draped the interior in red leather with thinly lacquered porous veneer applications and contrast, rich accents in places. The sills were overlaid with commemorative plaques and adorned with the outlines of the classic car. The one-off Azure has the front seat comfort package installed, meaning its seats are 22-way adjustable and offer 6 massage modes. The suspension has been tweaked and has an active anti-sway system. The driver receives aid from touring specification electronic assists, and the overall color scheme, Bentley says, ensures that the passengers do stress and feel better just from sitting inside the car. From the technical point of view, it is the standard GT with a 4-liter V8 mated to a ZEF 8-speed auto gearbox and auto.
Don't forget to subscribe for more car videos.